Welcome to today's Nervous System Identification Challenge. You'll answer 20 anatomy questions that become more difficult as you go. You have 5 seconds for each question. Keep track of your score. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's see if you can get a perfect score. Ready? Let's begin. Question 1. Identify the organ that serves as the body's main control center. Answer: brain. Question 2. What is the long bundle of nervous tissue that connects the brain to the rest of the body? Answer: spinal cord. Question 3. What is the basic functional unit of the nervous system? Answer: neuron. Question 4. What is the protective covering surrounding many nerve fibers that speeds electrical impulse transmission? Answer: myelin sheath. Question 5. What is the gap between two neurons where neurotransmitters are released? Answer: synapse. Question 6. What is the branch of the nervous system responsible for voluntary movement? Answer: somatic nervous system. Question 7. What is the branch of the nervous system that controls involuntary activities such as heart rate and digestion? Answer: autonomic nervous system. Did you know the human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons, each capable of forming thousands of connections with other neurons? Scientists estimate there are over 100 trillion synaptic connections inside your brain. Question 8. What is the largest part of the human brain responsible for thinking, memory, and voluntary movement? Answer: cerebrum. Question 9. What is the part of the brain responsible for balance and coordination? Answer: cerebellum. Question 10. What is the region of the brain that controls breathing, heartbeat, and blood pressure? Answer: medulla oblongata. Question 11. What is the nerve cells that support, nourish, and protect neurons? Answer: neuroglia. Question 12. What is the branch of the autonomic nervous system responsible for the fight or flight response? Answer: sympathetic nervous system. Question 13. What is the branch of the autonomic nervous system responsible for the rest and digest response? Answer: parasympathetic nervous system. Question 14. What is the cranial nerve responsible for slowing heart rate and stimulating digestion? Answer: vagus nerve. Question 15. What is the neurotransmitter primarily released at the neuromuscular junction to stimulate skeletal muscle contraction? Answer: acetylcholine. Did you know your nervous system can transmit electrical impulses at speeds of up to 120 meters per second? That's about 430 kilometers per hour or 270 miles per hour, depending on the type of nerve fiber. Question 16. What is the fluid that cushions and protects the brain and spinal cord? Answer: cerebrospinal fluid. Question 17. What is the membrane layer that lies directly on the surface of the brain and spinal cord? Answer: pia mater. Question 18. What is the middle protective membrane surrounding the brain and spinal cord? Answer: arachnoid mater. Question 19. What is the outermost protective membrane surrounding the brain and spinal cord? Answer: dura mater. Question 20. What is the part of a neuron that carries electrical impulses away from the cell body? Answer: axon. Great job! How many questions did you answer correctly? Keep practicing if you scored below 10. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and challenge your friends to beat your score. See you in the next anatomy quiz.